The Marie Skłodowska-Curie Fellowship gives a unique opportunity to shape the research in a way that one can't imagine.
The experience of the Marie Curie grant enabled me to be part of both communities, the scientist communities and the legal communities. And I think these two communities had to talk a lot.
Here at the JRC, there was the possibility to really see your output, your research, feeding the real need of a society.
I had the opportunity to collaborate with a diverse group of scientists from various backgrounds.
I basically didn't know anything about what happens to research findings once they're published. I think that the JRC is the place to learn exactly that.
I went to leave academia for a bit, and here at the JRC I found the best conditions to do my research. I had the opportunity to work in one of the biggest laboratories for structural assessment in Europe. It gave me the time and space to develop innovative solutions for European buildings.
I conducted belief updating experiments among extremists, so I would take a look at why radicals or extremists don't update their beliefs when they encounter evidence that goes against their beliefs.
The JRC was curating a 500+ data set of citizen science initiatives that were already contributing to EU environmental policies. And this was amazing, as it was essentially a huge data set on which I could investigate for my PhD. So we found a win-win situation. I would come here as a visiting scientist, they would get enriched by my perspective, and I could be enriching my PhD thesis.
Probably for most of us, it was the first opportunity to drive forward our own research agenda.